Cryptocurrency investors in India are worried that the government's proposed cryptocurrency bill aims to prohibit popular virtual coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum and others. The new bill will be presented in the winter session of Parliament and is aimed essentially at prohibiting all private cryptocurrencies with a few exceptions.
A bill on cryptocurrency in the winter session has set off speculation, anxiety and even concern. The growing breed of crypto enthusiasts in India are confused. What has unsettled crypto investors is the bill's aim to ban all private cryptocurrencies. Of course, the government has kept a small window open by saying it will make some exceptions. Indian cryptocurrency traders are left wondering what would separate private cryptocurrency from public cryptocurrency. If it takes a more progressive approach, the government may allow cryptocurrencies, even private, whose transaction history is publicly available on blockchain ledger, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and ban all those cryptos who have a closed network. The other option is a more blanket approach. It can ban all private crypto, barring RBI-issued digital currency.
Nobody really knows what the definition of a private cryptocurrency is. In the crypto ecosystem, there's no such term as private cryptocurrency. So we need to wait and watch. Not panicking is the most important thing, and regulation takes a long time. So wait and watch.
The Indian government views it in a way where public cryptocurrencies are only the CBDC or the Reserve Bank's digital currency, which they are also planning to introduce via this bill, and then look at all the others, Bitcoin and the like, as private. Then we could see some major regulation out there, and that's the way forward really for the industry.
With many questions and very little clarity on the government's next move, there is a panic among investors on their existing investments. If there is partial regulation, the market will well see investors transferring their investments to global markets. Trade in international market will continue as before. Of course, many investors will continue to hold their portfolios, anticipating future acceptance. In case India proceeds to ban crypto completely, a time frame is likely to be given to exchange or dispose of existing assets. If this situation arises, the crypto market will see investors selling existing assets, a move that could kill many innovative Indian blockchain projects. Bureau Report, India Today.